Bitch, I done grew up, blew up. More like OG for sure. Shit. They call me a savage. I be doing damage. Smoking with your bitch. Posing for the cameras. Hey, I look like a model. Fuck it. J-Mo out the box. Fuck it. 40 in the glove box. That shit fill you up and hollow. Boom. Where the smoke's at. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Hell, shit in bad. I hold it, hold it, hold it. Niggas hating on me. I know it, know it, know it. Got a pint, out and I'm caught, you know I'ma pour it, pour it, pour it. Y'all man, y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man, y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man, y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man, y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Bitch, I pop, top on your block on the west side, feeling like pop. Bandana, swing out my pocket. Middle finger up, motherfuck cops. Catch me in the land with the hat back. Not black Range Rover pistol with a lap back. OZ in the backpack. 26 years old, more hoes in the rat pack. Yo man, I don't wanna hear that no more. Bitch, I done grew up, blew up. More like OG for sure. This is for the motherfuckers who ain't living by the rules. Ay, this is for my youngins out here finna act a motherfucking fool. Ay, I'm forever young, blue and red pills, feeling like the Matrix. Ay, you know where I'm from, don't nobody ask for nothing, we just take. Y'all man, y'all man.
Always stay down for your bros, man.
Y'all man.
Do not ever break the code, man.
Y'all man.
Don't get caught up in these hoes, man.
Y'all man.
Go live that life that you supposed. Turn up.
Y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch. Y'all man. All my young guns in this bitch.
A.m. Roll the windows down, let the smoke out. Ayy. Wake and bake, bitch.
Hey, I'm just what you made, God. I've been high as fuck since me and my homeboy A-Rod was in Tower City trying to catch that bus. We out here. What you need? Back in Shaker, bag and tree. Baby mama called for the college. Said them kids wanna pay the fee. I'm up early in the morning. Hey, smoking public, my trap is jumping. I made 200, that count for something. I pull up, get them little Debbie muffins. I'm out here on my daughter. Whiskey, weed, and water. Just beat that misdemeanor last week. Need new money for the lawyer. I need new carpet at the crib. Goddamn, it's roaches where I live. Sold dope for the groceries in the fridge. Yo man, just hope you God forgives. Fast forward, old hoes knocking on my door, asking where do I be at now? Smoking loud on my tour bus. Famous bitch on my back lounge. I done blew up past rap now and it feels good. Bitch, I'm from the hood, so I live the life that I should, you hoe. Get the shit understood, you hoe. Came in this as a kid, you know. I ain't Cuddy, but that's the buddy. We in Coach Party talking cocaine, smoking hella J's out in London. No beef in 16, not no chips in 16. Called Ben Baller, told him we need custom diamond Cleveland championship rings. We need all of them big things, just cause we deserve it. Just cause the ones who fucked me over only to see if it was worth it. Damn, old homie switched up on me. Why am I not surprised? Looking at me like I need to share the peace, but never even there to make the pop. And that's why. Yeah. Friends for hey.
Right though. Ain't fuck a fake friend. Get high and talk to God, motherfucker.
I'm staying high until the end. Let me tell you about my mom, yo. Codeine in my blunts, yo. Like, why the fuck did I smoke shit? Fell asleep and never woke from it, but whatever. That man ain't wearing my denim pants and these long nights on. I am true. And my city just got the W. And the #1 spot is vacant too. And I think my foot might fit the shoe. And I think my glasses looking full. And I know my daughter's so proud. From the kids, my daddy got a pool. And I can't stop smiling at the crib. I can't stop frowning out in public. I got this paparazzi on me. I see these rappers acting funny. I see them stealing what I did. I see them pimping out the culture. I heard the game missed the kid. Dear hip-hop, just what I wrote you. Just what I am.
Y'all girls in this motherfucking air, ayy.